Hello everyone. Today in this session, we look after the important airports in the country with different names. Indira Gandhi International Airport. It is in New Delhi and is the busiest airport in the country in terms of both cargo as well as passenger traffic. This airport stood 17th in the world in terms of ACI's passenger traffic data for 2019. In 2019, a 102-meter high air traffic control tower was inaugurated, making it the highest in the country. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. It is located in Mumbai and was once known as the Sahar Airport. It is the second busiest airport in the country in terms of passenger as well as cargo traffic. Kempegowda International Airport. It is located in Bengaluru and was named after Kempegowda I, the founder of Bangalore. It is the third busiest airport in the country as well as the third greenfield airport after Hyderabad and Cochin. A greenfield airport is an airport which is constructed in underdeveloped site away from livelihood. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. It is located in Dum Dum, Kolkata. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. It is located in Semshabad, a neighborhood in Hyderabad. It is the first greenfield airport in the country and was the only airport in India to get a place in AirHelp Top 10 Best Airports in the World. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Some other important international airports include Veer Savarkar International Airport, Port Blair, Chaudhry Charan Singh International Airport, Lucknow, Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoloi International Airport, Guwahati, Jaiprakash Narayan International Airport, Patna, Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, Sheikh Ul Alam International Airport, Srinagar, Sri Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport, Amritsar, Punjab, Biju Patnaik International Airport, Bhubaneswar, Devi Ahilyabai Holkar International Airport, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar International Airport, Nagpur, Maharashtra, Bagdogra International Airport, Siliguri, West Bengal. Some domestic airports with different names include Raja Bhoj Airport, Bhopal, Swami Vivekananda Airport, Raipur, Jolly Grant Airport, Dehradun, Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj Airport, Kolhapur, Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji Airport, Nanded, Veer Surendra Sai Airport, Jharsugada, Qazi Nazrul Islam Airport, Durgapur, Bir Bikrama Airport, Agartala, Lengpui Airport, Aizawl, Maharana Pratap Airport, Udaipur, Bir Trikendrajit Airport, Imphal, Pakyong Airport, Gangtok, Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport, Leh, Ladakh. This is the highest airport in the country. A new airport is being constructed in Pune under the name of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. Pakyong Airport in Sikkim is the 100th airport in the country as well as the first greenfield airport in the northeastern region. The first airport in the world to run completely on solar power was the Cochin International Airport, which is also the first airport in the country constructed on PPP model. India's first and the oldest existing airport is the Zuhu Airport of Mumbai. Some proposed name changes to the airports include NTR International Airport, Vijayawada, Sri Venkateshwara Airport, Tirupati, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Airport, Agra, Shahid Bhagat Singh Airport, Chandigarh, Shirdi Sai Baba Airport, Shirdi. Hartsfield Jackson Airport of Atlanta in terms of passenger traffic, Dubai International Airport in terms of international passenger traffic, Hong Kong Airport in terms of air cargo, and Chicago Airport in terms of aircraft movement topped the list of the data released by ACI, Airports Council International, in 2019. Have a look at these questions now. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.